Have you watched The Lion King? And did you even know that The Lion King, in The Lion King we have Swahili words, and in the Swahili words we have the names that are given to the various animals. Like we have Mufasa. Mufasa is a king or a ruler. Then we have Nala. Nala typically is not to eat; it is a gift. Remember, we still have words like Zawadi, which also means gift, but in this case, Nala. The next one we had is Rafiki, and Rafiki is friend. Friend in Swahili. We are going to learn more than 60 Swahili animal names, and we're going to give them different categories, like the big five, the ugly five, the small five, and something like that. And so, join with us as we review them. The first category we're going to have is a big five. And the big five, we have the lion, elephant, leopard, buffalo, and rhino. So we have Simba. Simba. The next we have Ndovu. Ndovu. Ndovu is Tembo. Ndovu, you can also call him or her Tembo. Tembo. The next one is Chui. 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 The next one, Nyati. 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 Next we're going to see the little five. In the little five we have Mchwa Simba. Mchwa Simba. Mchwa Simba. Next in this category we have Sengi. 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 Next in this category we have Kobe Chui. Kobe Chui. Kobe Chui. Kobe Chui. Next in this category we have Wafumaji wa Nyati. Wafumaji wa Nyati. Wafumaji wa Nyati. Wafumaji wa Nyati. Last in this category we have Kifarumende. 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 We're going to look at the ugly five. Now in the ugly five, we have different animals. I don't know why they were called the ugly five, because some of these animals are just interesting in their own way. First one in this category, we have Fisi. 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 The next one in this category, we have Ngiri. 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 The next one we have Nyumbu. 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 Next we have Korongo. 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 Next we have Samba. 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 We're also going to look at the shy five. This is because the sighting of the people are very rare. So first one we have Pakamawe. 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 Next we have Nungu Nungu. Nungu Nungu. Nungu Nungu. Nungu Nungu. Next we have Mhanga. 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 Next we have Fisi and Kore. Fisi Yankole. Fisi Yankole. You can also call it Fisi Mdogo. fisi mdogo. So it's either fisi nkole or fisi mdogo. Next and last in this category we have mbweha masikio. Mbweha masikio. Mbweha masikio. Mbweha masikio. Then we have the African antelopes. The African antelopes are different categories, like we have different species of antelopes, as you know. So we're going to go through them one by one. We have more than 78 species of antelopes. So we're going to go through some of them one by one. We have paa. 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 Next one, you can either call it pongo. Pongo. You can also call him or her mbawala. 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 Or you can also call him or her kulungu. 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 The next one we have digi digi. Digi digi. Digi digi. Digi digi. The next one we have pofu. 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 You can also call him or her mbunju. 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 The next one is swala. Swala twiga. Swala twiga. Swala twiga. The next species we have paa granti. Paa granti. You can also call him or her swala granti. So it's either paa granti ama swala granti. Next we have tandala mkubwa. Tandala mkubwa. Tandala mkubwa. Tandala mkubwa. The next species we have kongoni. 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 The next species we have swala pala. Swala pala. Swala pala. The next one we have mbuzi mawe. Mbuzi mawe. Mbuzi mawe. The next species we have choroa. 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 The next species we have korongo. 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 The next species we have palahala. 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 You can also call him or her mbarapi. 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 The next species we have swalatomi. 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 The last category in this we have kuro. 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 Kuro.